Okay, let's look at another technique of differential equations that's the same as solving a differential equation, but now instead of having a something with a plus c or some constant term in there, we're actually going to solve for that c and come up with an exact equation that'll take care of this condition right here. So basically, all this is telling us that we have a coordinate point that's on the graph of 1, -4. So we have an x and a y value, and so we're going to basically do the same technique that we've been doing. We're going to try to separate the variables, and let's see, if I multiply by dx on both sides, I'll get rid of that dy dx on the left, and I can also multiply both sides by y, and when I do that, I'm going to get cancellation, right? That dx cancels with that dx. This y is going to cancel the y out on the right, and simply I have y dy is equal to 1 plus x over x times dx. So now, before I integrate it, I might want to clean up the right hand side a little bit. I'll just do that by simply rewriting it up here. That's the same thing as 1 over x plus 1. Right? So if I do that, go ahead and integrate the left side. The left side would be what? Y squared over 2. And what is the integral of 1 over x? It's the ln of absolute value of x, and plus, what is the integral of 1? Just x, and there's our constant hanging out there. So now we don't have to solve for y right now, because we have a fact that y is -4, so we have -4 squared over 2 is equal to the natural log of the absolute value of 1, which is 1, plus 1, plus our constant. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It's always good to look at a graph of ln. That's the ln function, and of course you should have this burned into your brain at this point, but that is the point 1, 0. So if the ln of 1 is 0, that goes to 0. We have 16 over 2, which is 8, and 1 is 1. So we have the fact that c is equal to 7. So now we're going to plug that 7 back in up to this part of the equation right here, and we should be able to solve for y. Let's see what we get. So I have y squared is equal to, let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 2. We have 2 times the ln of x plus x plus 7, and just distributing that all out, we get 2 ln of x plus 2x plus 14, and then we're going to take the square root of that. Or we can simply leave it as this, but if we did take the square root, we would have plus and minus 2 ln of x plus 2x plus 14. Okay. Alright, I think that'll do it for this example, and this should be an interesting topic. You get to practice your algebra skills plus your integration. So good luck with the rest of this.